So it is wonderful to have you here with us today as we celebrate the rebuilding of Loder Elementary School. Our current school opened in 1957 and for nearly 7 decades has served thousands of students in this community. Many of these students are now parents, grandparents, neighbors, and proud alumni. While our existing building has served generations well, today marks a very exciting new chapter. We're moving forward with building a facility that reflects who we are now and who we want to be as a school district and a community.
At Washoe County School District, we understand how critical modern, efficient, and inspiring facilities are. And this new school reflects a commitment to providing first-class learning environments.
Who rocks the house? I said the Mustangs rock the house. And when the Mustangs rock the house, they rock it all the way down.
This campus was clearly identified through our facilities modernization plan process as being in significant need of renovation. Due to its aging infrastructure, rebuilding this school was the best long-term solution.
Green Sally up, Green Sally down, Green Sally all around the town.
At one time, we just had one computer per classroom. Today, we provide one-to-one technology and interactive boards in every classroom and shared student space. And now, we start here at the beginning of an exciting new chapter.
The impact this will have on our students is going to be tremendous. I also appreciate that we're sending a really good message to all of the students in our district that we really do value their educational experiences.
For students like me who once walked these halls and the students that are here today, it's a place of first friendships, first challenges, and first dreams of who we might become. I was tetherball queen. Today's ceremony, it's not just about new walls or updated facilities or modern technology. It's about continuing a legacy and creating a space where future generations of students will feel inspired and supported just like I once did.